Hello， 大家好，我係 Mr. Eric Tang. This time I want to say hi in Cantonese. In last lesson, we talked about how to create and use variables in Python. In this lesson, I want to talk about the rules of naming variables. Let's open the Python idle now, and let's do some explorations together. Again, please pause the video and do it together now. Here we go. Now, let's type in small letter a equal 1. Enter. Now I've just created a variable called a and store a number 1 into it. Then let's type in capital letter A equal 2. Enter. Now I've just created a variable, but this time the name is in capital letter A and store a number 2 into it. In Python, variable names are case sensitive. It means that small letter a and capital letter A are two different variables. If you don't believe, let's try together now. Now let's type in print bracket small letter a bracket enter, and then print bracket capital letter A bracket enter. You see the difference right now? The other rules of naming variables is that the names must consist of letters, digits, or underscores, and it must start with a letter. Let's try one example now. For example, I can make a variable like this: variable underscore name underscore very underscore long underscore OK equal 2, 3, 4, 5. Enter. It's fine. But if I try to type in like my space ABC equal 1, 2, 3, enter. Now you will see there is a syntax error again. It means that variables names cannot contain any space. Let's try another wrong example. Let's type in 1, 2, 3 underscore ABC equal 1000. Enter. Since the rule said that variables names must start with a letter, and this time it's started with a number, therefore Python tells you it's a syntax error again. Good. Here's the conclusion. First, variable names is case sensitive. For example, small letter a is different from capital letter A. Another example, these three variables names, although they are all called Eric, in fact they are all different. Second, the characters must all be letters, digits, or underscores, and must start with a letter. One more rule is that you cannot use the following keywords which are reserved for Python as the variable names. Keywords are shown in orange color in idle. Okay, see you next time. Bye bye.